as part of the traditional succession process leading to the emergence of a new Awujale of IJEBU land. The Awujale Interregnum Council has formally installed Chief Adegoke Balogun as the new Jaginrin of IJEBU. The newly installed Jaginrin pledges his commitment to the unity, progress, and preservation of IJEBU cultural heritage. Blessing Adewoye was at the historic event held at Awujale Palace in IJEBU and now reports.
With fanfare and pageantry, the newly appointed Jaginrin of IJEBU, Chief Adegoke Balogun, clad in white traditional attire, accompanied by the member of his family, friends, and well-wishers, including horse rider, moved from his family house to the Awujale Palace ground for his installation. The colorful and cultural embedded event that showcased the deep tradition of IJEBU land was well attended by the dignitaries from far and near, including the Olisha of IJEBU, Olisa Abdurrashid Adesanya, and members of Awujale Interregnum Advisory Council, led by their chairman, Ogbeni Oja Olurogun. It is now the turn of Gbede Awujale to perform the installation rites and decoration of the new Jaginrin with the paraphernalia of office.
I feel extremely happy, because I know right from onset that Jaginrin chieftaincy is very, very important. National blessing and eternal rights, Awujale must come to Jaginrin Palace. And I am, as Jaginrin, is going to do the traditional rights and traditional blessing for the incoming Awujale. The house is free. We are one. Let him come. We shall embrace each other for the progress.
Shortly after the installation, some members of the Awujale Interregnum Administrative Council, joined by the Olisha of IJEBU, offered prayers for the successful reign of the new Jaginrin and for peace, progress, and unity for IJEBU land. Speaking during the ceremony, the chairman of the Awujale Interregnum Council, Olurogun, emphasized the importance of the installation of the Ilamuri chiefs. He noted that this date is a critical part of the traditional process, stressing that without the installation of these chiefs, the coalition of a new Awujale cannot take place.
The first step was to ask the family to produce a candidate. So they are going to nominate for us this next step, and then we elect. So this is a very important step. Without it, there is no coronation.
They have their own role that they will play. So we have to install them before the Awujale comes in.
The celebration thereafter shifted to the Oloja again family compound, where guests and family members were entertained with some sumptuous meals. IJEBU, Blessing Adewoye, NTA News.